Guys, one last thing, if you watched my last video, then you know that, that it was titled three weird things happened to me. Well, I'd like to add one to it. Right now, we just heard, loud music coming from my niece's, and my mom's room, and when I looked to see what was happening, Nina was only asleep in the room, and her phone was off. It's very creepy, but also, in the background, my nephew is watching TikTok. Sorry. But anyway, if you know what happened, please comment down below. And, later, Saiyan Gang. Saiyan Army. See you on the next one.